multiplication in the column method. 3x square plus 4x plus 3 should be multiplied with 2x plus 4. We need to use the column method to multiply these two expressions. Trinomial by binomial. This is the trinomial and binomial we need to multiply using column method. So by using column method, first we need to take first term, what is the first term is present, the second expression, and multiply with this all the terms, and then write the expression here, then we get the solution. After that, we take the second term of it and multiply with all the terms present in this first expression. We write and we add these two expressions, we get the final solution of it using normal division. The numerical values, how we multiply, 123 into 5. So we multiply this 4, that is 3 5s are 15, 1 5. So 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So we multiply with this form. For example, this 15, it is 15 or 25 something. Then we take, so then it is with 2, with 5 we multiply now. So we take next with 5. After with 5, we take the with 2. So when we multiply with 2, 2 3s are 6, we leave that and we write 6, 2 2s are 4 and 1 2s are 2, and we add these two numbers 5, 7 and 10, 1 0 and 3. So 3075. So normal multiplication, and we multiply 2 numerical values, numbers 123 into 25. We multiply with 5 into 123. So 650 we got. After with 2 we multiply 123. So we got 246. We added these two numbers. We got 3075. Using the same method. First we multiply with 4. So when we multiply with 4, 4 into 3 is 12. So 4 into 3x, 4 into 3x is 16x. The next one is, here 3, this is 3, 3 4s are 12 into x squared. So let's take on 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16x, and 4 3s are 12, x squared. Now let's multiply with 2x. So when we multiply with 2x, so 2 3s are 6x. So 6x must be written in the like terms which are here. This is a 6x, 16x. So this is 3 2s are 6x. So with the like terms which is similar is 6x. So we need to write the down of 16x. So next one is 4 2s are 8. 8 into x, x squared, 8x squared. After that, so this is x squared. So like terms we need to write here. 3 2s are 6, 6, and x squared into x cubed. So we need to write separately. So we can observe these are like terms. We can add up like terms, and this is only one term is present. Here this is only one term is present. Let's add this all the numbers, all the values. That is 12 can be taken same as it is, and here we are doing addition. So 16 plus 6 is 20, 2x. So 12 plus 8, 20 x squared. So this is only one term, 6x cubed. So here plus. So when we multiply this two expressions, trinomial by binomial, we got the answer of 6x cubed plus 20x squared plus 22x plus 12. So this is a horizontal method to multiply two algebraic expressions. Division of algebraic expressions. So we take monomial by monomial, and polynomial by monomial, and polynomial by polynomial. So we'll take these all the expressions and divide. So first one is monomial by monomial. We have taken a monomial and we need to divide it monomial. So let's see here. It's 8x squared y cubed. So divided with minus 2xy. So when we are doing division, so first we need to divide with the numerical coefficients, then with the like terms separately. So 8 by minus 2, x squared by x, y cubed by y. So when we divide this like terms and the numerical values separately, we got minus 4 here, and a power n by a power n, a power n minus n, this is x power 1, and y squared. So minus 4xy squared. So this is monomial by monomial. Let's go to the next concept, that is next division, that is polynomial by monomial. We have taken a polynomial and we need to divide with a monomial. So first, this is the polynomial. Let's write this 6x power 5 plus 18x power 4 minus 3x squared divided by 3x squared. We'll use the same property. We'll divide with each term. So here there is only one monomial. That's the reason we have divided with the one term only. But here, the numerator we have all the three terms. The denominator we have there is only one term. In this case, we need to do the process, that is, first term should be divided with the denominator, and also second term should be divided with the denominator. Third term also should be divided with denominator. So each term should be divided. So here 6x power 5 divided with 3x squared plus, there is a plus symbol here, that's the reason we need to take plus 18x power 4 by 3x squared, and there is a minus there. So minus 3x squared by 3x squared. So let's divide with each term after that. So we can divide the numerical coefficients as earlier we have discussed in the same manner. We divide this 6 by 3 is 2, x power 5 by x power 2, that is x power 3. So plus 18 by 3 is 6, x power 4 by x power 2 is x power 2 minus 3 by 3 is 1, x power 2 by x power 2, that is x squared by x squared is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1 only. So finally after that we got the solution of 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus 1. So this is polynomial by monomial. Let's go to the next division of polynomial by polynomial. So to divide with polynomial by polynomial, we have a certain process. So let's take that. Polynomial by polynomial. 12 minus 14a squared minus 13a divided with 3 plus 2a. First, let's write this expression in ascending order, the order of their exponents. So here is power 2, so 14a squared. After the power 1 is minus 13a. After that 12, that's constant value. So here divided with 2a plus 3. So let's try to divide this. Minus 14a squared minus 13a plus 5 should be divided with 2a plus 3. So we'll have a certain process to divide a trinomial by binomial. Trinomial by binomial. So we need to take the first terms. Here the first terms are both the expressions 14a squared minus 14a squared and 2a. Let's divide this first two terms, that is minus 14a squared divided with 2a. We get a solution of minus 7a. So the 7a, you should take it as a quotient. So minus 7a is a quotient here. So this quotient minus 7a should be multiplied with divisor and we get a dividend. So that dividend should be written under here and we'll subtract both the values and we get a solution of it, and that one we'll take it as a dividend and again we'll do the same process. So let's do that. We got the 7a by dividing the first two terms and we have written in the quotient part the 7 quotient minus 7a. The quotient should be multiplied with the divisor. So after multiplying with the divisor, minus 14a square minus 21a, we're getting, because minus 7a into 2a is minus 14a square, minus 7a into 3 is minus 21a. So let's subtract these two expressions. So when we are doing subtraction with the two expressions, the symbols will change. This minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus. So here when we are subtracting these two expressions, minus 14a square plus 14a square, it becomes 0. So this is 0, and here minus 13a plus 21a is 8. So 8a, so plus 8a, because this is 21 is greater, so we'll be getting plus 8a as normal division. We'll do that. 12, we'll take it as a down, we'll carry this square here. Now we'll do the same process. We'll see, we'll check this one and this remainder as a dividend, and we'll see the first terms in this code. We'll see the first terms in these two expressions in this dividend and also divisor, and this remainder as taken as a dividend, so that the first term is 8a and 2a. Let's divide these two. 8a and 2a will be getting 4, because a by a is 1, a by 2 is 4. So that 4 should be taken in the quotient. So this quotient should be multiplied with the divisor. You know that. So 4 2s are 8a plus 4 3s are 12. So when we are subtracting these two, we are getting minus and minus symbols will be changed. 8 minus 8. 8 minus 18 minus 8 is 0, 12 minus 12 is 0. So we got the 0 remainder after dividing these two expressions, that is trinomial by binomial. In certain process we got the quotient as minus 7a plus 4. So this is the process of dividing the polynomial by polynomial.